Beacon Shores Drive, incredible piece of property, 1.06 acres, a point lot, 254 feet of waterfront. Amazing thing about this, if you look at this corner of the house, that's the master bedroom on the top left side. Down to the water, it's only 50 feet. You can't get any closer than that. And that's what really highlights this property. A couple things. One, it's an incredible piece of property. The elevation coming out the lower level to walk out to the dock is just 6 feet as you drop down to go out to that beautiful site. And then the other thing is this house has been completely remodeled. I'm talking everything, back in 2021. So it's got new appliances, floorings, bathrooms. There's more square footage in it. As you can see behind me, we've got a 4-car garage, 2-car down below, 2-car up top, architectural shingles. They've got a new HVAC system that's gone in place recently. So just a number of things that we're going to talk about as we go into the house. New granite countertops. There's even an area, they have quartz downstairs in the bottom. Flooring consists of carpet. We've got some vinyl plank, hardwood, all of those things as well. And again, you can see this wonderful driveway, plenty of places to park for guests. And again, we'll get to the property when we walk around the back side of the house, but this is incredible. We've got over 5,000 square feet of space here, 4,839 heated, and another 627 that's unfinished area as well. So there's plenty of storage, and it's a very open plan. The house was built in 2000, but you'll see when we get in there, it'll feel like it was just built here recently. So let's head on in and take a look at this wonderful layout. One other thing I want to mention, we'll talk about the bedrooms. We've got 4 bedrooms actually on the main level, which is great. Another 2-bedroom suites down below, and there are just a number of other things to talk about as we get into this home. All right, we come in, as you see, we've got these beautiful engineered hardwood floors. Again, stuff is all new, looks great. You got light fixtures in here. You've got a dining room area over here. Behind me here on this side, we've got, which really is a bedroom. It is, closet doors. They're using it as an office. But this would be a nice bedroom setup, especially if you had younger children or grandkids or that type of thing. You might even consider putting a crib in there just to be easy access type thing. Again, we talk about the view. We're in the living room. You got this gorgeous view out to the back deck. We're going to walk out there and take a look because that's what you really want to see is the property that you're sitting on. Now, if you look at the deck here, this is all, again, new ironwood, epay, what they call it, and it's a very, very good product. You can see again how easily accessible the dock is. Again, that's all ironwood as well. Great setup here. What I love about this, you're on a point lot, but you're not sticking out in the main lake. You've got an island over there that you're never going to see houses on. You're pulled back in from the main boat traffic, which is great. And so you've got a nice area here that you can swim, float around with the kids, the grandchildren, and again, you get the big view, but without the waves that come with that. And look at this yard. I mean, incredible. What a view and what a beautiful piece of property. So let's head on into the living room, check that out. So we come into the living room / kitchen area. All new appliances, stainless steel, as you can see, electric flat top here. Dishwasher, double ovens, microwave. See the new cabinetry in here, new countertops, all granite up here. Got a lot of storage space too, a lot of cabinet area here. Got a propane gas fireplace. Then another deck area, great for the grill, and a great place to view the property as well. 254 feet of waterfront, I said, and that is a lot. Arguably, I think this is the nicest lot in Beacon Shores because of what it gives you without the, not the access, but the sitting out there on the point where boats are running by on the weekend. So that's the better part of this. But you got a great open room here, cathedral ceilings, all new lighting, as you'll see there. We come back into this wing of the house. We've got 2 wonderful bedrooms. And as we go through, you're going to see how every bedroom has these just incredible views on this, not only on this side of the house, but as you go downstairs and check those out as well. So all your guests will be very happy with their accommodations. Bathroom up here, again, redone, tile floor, shower, nice, beautiful glass shower, doors there. Come on into the other bedroom here, same thing. Beautiful setup here, ceiling fans, smooth ceilings, you see all that. And again, another great view as you're laying in your bed, waking up one morning and check out the lake and see what your day has in store for you. Pantry area here, which is great, just off the kitchen. Got a lot of place to store some extra food. Come on into the laundry room. Laundry room area. Closet, coat closet here. Take a quick step into the 2-car garage on the top area here. Another great place to keep an extra refrigerator. They've also got pull-down storage that you can see. It'll go up into the attic and then access out of the back door, getting back out to the yard. All right, we're going to go back through the living room area and go check out the master/primary bedroom, whatever you may call it these days. Come in here, what a great room. Cathedral ceilings, fantastic view. Just imagine, again, waking up and looking at that every morning. The other thing about the location, being here in Beacon Shores, we are only literally 15 minutes from the hospital, Lowe's, Home Depot, Belk's, things like that, easy to get to, access, Walmart, superstores, Ingles, so forth. This bathroom I absolutely love. You got the double sinks, granite countertops, new cabinets, new flooring here as you can see. Got a separate tub here. We've got a beautiful shower. It's one of the prettiest showers I've ever seen, actually. It's got a lot of space. I like the rock flooring. Then you come on back here into the walk-in closet area. Plenty of space there. Again, all new fixtures. Very clean. This whole house just feels very clean and airy and light. You get a lot of light in this home. All right, let's head downstairs to the lower level. Check it out. Love the downstairs, absolutely love it. So you've got this, even though it doesn't look like it, this flooring is actually tile down here, but I love the color, love the whole feel of this area. So waterproof, you've got quartz countertops down here, you've got wine coolers over here, extra sink, nice little shelf area for the bar situation. We're going to head down. This recreation room I think is fantastic. Certainly you could put in a pool table, add some other games, things like that. Heck, you could even probably throw cornhole in this room. It's so large. I love the old door here. Check that out. Nice old barn door to close. Gives it a good feel. We've got full bathroom over here to the left. Double sinks. Shower tub combo. First bedroom here. Again, look at the views that you have, from the bedroom. And again, just how level it is getting over to the dock. And you've got access just around the corner. So easy to get to. We got a walk-in closet here as well. Plenty of space. Check this room out. This is interesting because you could actually make this another bedroom. It would in turn be the 7th bedroom, but technically you've got a closet. As you can see, you've got storage. We talked about storage area, but you could make this a huge walk-in closet if you wanted to. Now they've certainly used this as storage space, extra room, even an office area here. You can make a workshop out of this area. So you've got a lot of potentials here, and again, you've got access right out to the main lake. Would make another great room, though, if you really needed room, although we have so many bedrooms here, but would make a great bunk room as well. My favorite bedroom, if I was a guest, would be this one. I mean, look at this view. So bright and airy, carpet, on the floors, nice, comfortable, beautiful windows with all the views from 3 different angles. Again, smooth ceilings, new light fixtures. Anytime, especially on this lake, it's hard to find lots, and especially if you're going to be looking for something like this. They're just not out there anymore. And that is the key to this home, is the piece of land it sits on, the location. But then again, it's got a great layout, very functional layout. Full bath here. Again, we've got a quartz or a granite countertop on that. Got a tub shower combo. And then come on into the second 2-car garage area. See the Bobcat tractor? If you're interested in the Bobcat tractor, he'd be interested in possibly selling that. Let's head on into here and check out the storage over here as well. You can see hot water heater, heat pump unit.
Lake toys.
Yep, great place to keep your lake toys, because again, you've got easy access out of the garage right down to the lake. All right, let's head out the back here. Get you a nice game of poker going on in here with the poker table. Come out to this lower level patio area, which again, fantastic area. You can see they've got cover here, so even on a rainy day, you can get down here and enjoy this area. Come on down to the dock. Like I said, this dock was installed in 2018. So the dock is fairly new. A little breeze today, knocked down a good pointing stick. Nice long ramp. And this stuff, what I love about ironwood, it's very heavy wood. It's not something that you find that splinters, really often. You can put a new stain coat on this and make it look brand new. As you can see, we've got a nice lift that is included. We got a jet ski buoy. You can also add another jet ski buoy if you would like. The Duke Energy does allow a couple of jet ski buoys per dock. And you can see this dock has been permitted. The dock number is 5484. And so what we help you do at that point when you go to contract on the house, we can certainly help you get the dock transferred into your name. So, what a place. Look at this property. Take it all in. Take a good shot of the house from the back side. Like I said, great layout. Talked about the house itself, and I think they've just done an absolute wonderful job with the vision to get what they've got in there now. So if you have any interest in this home, give us a call, 800-682-9098. Enjoy the aerial video. That'll give you a good idea of just exactly where we're located.